we're back in the Crafty and Stitch headquarters, and we are, well, Crafty is pretty project driven, and I go right along with him. So this is what we're going to work on right here. This cast aluminum base. It's a table base. You think it's quite heavy. We'd like to put this in the bus, but it's a little big. It's a little big. We need to cut this thing down. We have this butcher block top left over, 2 pieces from our vanity that's also topping the vanities in the bus.
So what we know we need to do is to make this oval smaller, because we're only dealing with maybe 2 feet.
18,
Yeah, we have about
2
this
feet.
much space in the coach down the middle. So what I plan on doing is we're gonna flip this over. And we've already kind of sketched out our oval, but what we're gonna do is take a straight edge and bridge across this so we know where it's approximately flat. And then I am not going to use a plasma cutter, a fancy saw, anything. I'm going to use this saber saw with a metal cutting blade, and I know it will cut through that. So that's what we're going to.
So yeah, we're getting pretty resourceful with our equipment.
Yeah, this is really high tech stuff for us. We're using an old bar stool to lay out the circle that we're going to cut because it just happens to be almost the right size.
That was my idea. Woo, there you have it. There you have it.
Go.
So here is the finished butcher block top that's been cut for our project today. Looks pretty sweet. Crafty cut it, sanded it all nice for me with 320. Now, I'm
Sandman.
applying the stain.
That looks good.
This is the underside.
Oh, it is?
Yeah,
Oh.
this is the underside. I do that first so I can lay it down.
I thought it was the top.
Nope, nope.
I just sanded it out really good with, I started at 150, ended up at 320, got the edge really well, and
And actually this was cut from the same template that I made for the base, only I narrowed it up just a tad because our wood product was not quite wide enough, but we wanted it a little narrower, so here it is. Hey guys, here's the finished table. Just follow along with the videos and you can see the process of what we did. Not crazy about that final color. That's not the final color actually. We played around with it, but I think it turned out pretty sweet. From junk
to funk.
and there it is. Pretty sweet. And there
That's
you
a wrap,
have
and
it.
thanks for watching.
Bye.
See ya.